This is a carbon monoxide detector, one of the cheapest range by Honeywell. Battery is built in, it carries a 7-year life with warranty. You can download the smartphone application for further features. Now, the smoke and carbon monoxide alarm amendment regulations came into force on the 1st of October 2022. Which means every private rented property needs to be fitted with smoke alarms and a carbon monoxide alarm. Fail to do so may lead to a fine. And it's always best to have them installed in your own homes too. Now, carbon monoxide is a poisonous gas that can make you seriously ill if you breathe it in. Carbon monoxide can be made by fires and appliances that burn gas, wood, oil or coal. This is the XC70 model, and there are others you can upgrade to. To switch on, you literally slide the back cover in. The device can be screwed on the wall or ceiling, can be stood up on a table too. To switch off the device, slot in a flat screwdriver and slide the back cover off. So basically, slot in the back cover, you will hear beeping sounds. To test and make sure all is working well, hold on to the button for a few seconds. The carbon monoxide device is now live. To deactivate, push in a flat screwdriver and slide out the cover. Stay safe guys, peace.